Welcome back for another Unbox and Swatch video. Today we've got a collaboration between JerrysArtarama and the Schmincke company. This is a set of 12 half-pan watercolors in the Horadam Aquarelle, and it also includes a 5mm tube of titanium white. Unlike Chinese white, this should be pretty bright and make some really interesting highlights. We will be sure to swatch that too. So anyway, let's just get this packaging open. And it's a really cool box. The artwork was done by one of our resident artists here at the company. And the colors were selected exclusively for this set. So let's take a look inside. Really cool. It opens up. And so we've got some paperwork here and a little swatch sheet. We're going to be using our Painter's Color Diary watercolor today, just simply because the swatches are a little bit larger. Inside, we have our 5mm tube of the titanium white. This is going to be a gouache type paint. It will be rewettable but opaque. And then we have our pans up here. So this entire piece is made out of metal, and it will come out to be cleaned or to make it easier to take the pans in and out. And we will be doing that right now to unwrap them, and then we will swatch them. All right, so as I've said, we've got our Painter's Color Diary. This is the watercolor edition. It's 10 sheets with glycine in between each one. If you're not familiar with our New York Central watercolor paper, this is the same paper inside, so it swatches perfectly and beautifully. And I chose this. We also make it in a travel size, but I wanted to give you guys larger swatches so that you can get a good view of the color. Also, I'll be using the Oasis, New York Central Oasis synthetic brushes today. Really an incredible product. I hope you see while we're using it just how much water it holds and how nicely it releases the color onto the paper. But let's get started with the swatching. All right, there you have it. This is the Schmincke Horadam Aquarelle watercolor set of 12 and the 5mm titanium white gouache. 5mm, there's tons of it. You could probably easily fill one of these whole pans up here and maybe a little bit more. And this gives you a nice opaque color if you want to add some highlights. Some people like to use it to correct mistakes. It just depends on your style and, you know, the kind of paintings you do. Some really nice colors here. I could definitely see how this collection can give you a very wide palette of mixable colors, especially the variations of reds and blues that are included. Probably can make A couple of really nice purples and such. So anyway, thanks for joining us for this Unbox and Swatch. If this was helpful to you, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you on a future Unbox and Swatch video.